This 30-year-old building was the winning entry of an international design competition. Owner-occupied by the Architects Association, licensing over 4,000 members, the building was fraught with lighting maintenance issues. Lamps and ballasts had expired. Some were irreplaceable without erecting scaffolding. 4 light switches controlled all of the lighting for the 22,000 square foot building. Mandated to maintain and complement the original design, the lighting honors the architecture by exploiting the complicated structure, elevating ceilings with indirect lighting while integrating the lighting so that sources of light are difficult to detect. Rectangular and linear luminaires reinforce the building form. Custom arch luminaires emphasize the curve of the architectural glass and the features stare. The monumental project goal was to achieve net zero carbon of the 2030 challenge in 2020. All building systems were considered together to achieve optimal high-energy efficiency, including rooftop photovoltaic panels, innovative HVAC systems, a high-performance curtain wall, and extremely sustainable lighting systems. Luminaires are hidden in this complicated structure, minimizing glare and adding depth and mystery. Illuminating surfaces and creating volumetric brightness provides wayfinding to reception and a comfortable glare-free working environment. Contrast ratios guided the illumination of vertical surfaces and tasks. Miniature linear suspended wall washers evenly illuminate the main corridor art wall. Programmable color-changing LEDs create special effects for a multitude of special functions. Lighting controls tune and dim luminaires and turn them off when spaces are unoccupied. Layering light in the atrium levels its majestic volume and allows transformation of space for multiple uses, from public gatherings to meetings, seminars, and parties. Luminaire placement was carefully selected to ensure easy accessibility for maintenance. Uplights concealed atop the perimeter glass meeting rooms are accessible by a catwalk. Lighting controls were critical for the project's success, with luminaire choices and multifunction spaces requiring compatibility and integration of drivers and lighting protocols to work harmoniously for system control. One of the owner's favorite features is the color-changing LEDs that create different moods for special events in this multi-purpose space. Meeting room walls open to become part of the council room. Suspended luminaires are 2 circuits separating uplight from downlight. Controls provide maximum flexibility while daylight harvesting sets the maximum light output. Tuning can be adjusted in the future for lumen maintenance, increasing the useful life of the luminaires. The expandable flexible lighting control system includes daylight harvesting, vacancy sensing, and light level tuning. With rigorous commissioning, the average operating load is about 1/10 watt per square foot, with a 75% reduction in consumption compared to pre-renovation, and well below applicable local codes. The required system dashboard is used for continuous monitoring of energy consumption and connectivity to the building automation system. Exposed to direct sunlight on south, east, and west facades, the building had ample daylight, but areas were plagued by glare and heat gain. Extensive daylight modeling informed glare-mitigating glazing decisions and lower target illuminances. Daylight redirecting film guides sunlight towards the ceiling, increasing illuminance and perceived brightness. Lower thermochromic windows darken to shield occupants from the sun's glare. Desk-mounted 2-circuit direct-indirect luminaires illuminate office spaces. Occupancy sensors and daylight harvesting control ambient uplight. Task lights are occupant-controlled with under-desk vacancy sensors. At night, lighting is soft, comfortable, glare-free, and effective for tasks. Direct-indirect lighting is integrated into back-of-house stairwells. Luminaires concealed in space between the wall and landing provide safety and play of light. Unoccupied, the lighting is set to a minimum. Only dimmed parking and stair lighting are used for security and to expose the building's unique presence. The budget was tight and was met. The energy goals were achieved. The project is a shining example of cost-effective, efficient, collaborative, and creative design.